Hey everyone, welcome to Vidfikar Movie, the palace where a story meets the legend. In this very first video, we are diving into something big, the greatest web series of all time. From the thrilling crime drama to heartwarming friendship, these show have changed the game forever. Whether you're being watcher or just getting started, this list is for you. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's explore the best of the best.
Un atraco singular. Porque no vamos a robar el dinero de nadie.
¿Qué vamos a robar?
Buenos días.
Stranger Things, rating 8.7 out of 10. Stranger Things is a science fiction horror series set in 1980s in the small town of Hawkins, Indiana. The story begins when a young boy, Will Byers, mysteriously disappears. As his friends and family search for him, they uncover a secret government lab for natural creature. This series mix of horror, adventures, and friendship, making it massive global hit. Prison Break, rating 8.3 out of 10. Prison Break is an American TV series that follows the story of two brothers, Michael Scofield and Lincoln. Lincoln is a falsely accused for murdering the US Vice President brother and sentenced to death. Believing in this brother's innocence, Michael is a structural engineer and elaborate to plan to break Lincoln out of jail. It is a mix of action, suspense, and drama. Friend, rating 8.9 out of 10. Friend follow the lives of six close kin friends living in the New York City as they negotiate love, career, and life in their 20s and 30s. The group spend much of their time together at their favorite coffee shop and Central Park. Total season 10. Peaky Blinders, rating 8.7 out of 10. Peaky Blinders is a British crime drama following the rise of Shelby crime family. The Peaky Blinders are a ruthless gang involved in illegal betting, smuggling, and violence. This series blends historical event, intense drama, and the stylish cinematography, making it one of the most violent crime shows of recent years. Narcos, rating 8.7 out of 10. Narcos is a crime drama series based on the true story of the rise and fall of drug dealer Pablo Escobar and the Medellin cartel. The show is a gripping mix of actions, politics, and real life events. Dark, rating 8.7 out of 10. Dark is a German science fiction thriller that revolves around time travel, family secrets, and a mysterious town called Wenden. With its complex storylining, time paradox, and deep philosophical themes, Dark is considered one of the most mind-bending series ever made. Total season 3. Viking, rating 8.5 out of 10. The story follows Ragnar, a farmer turned warrior who rises to power by leading daring raids on England and the beyond with the help of his loyal warriors, including his brothers. This series is filled with actions, drama, mythological Viking cultures, and traditional. Total seasons. Money Heist, rating 8.2 out of 10. Money Heist is a Spanish crime thriller about a mastermind known as the Professor who recruited a group of skilled criminals to pull off the biggest heist in the history. The story follows heist on the Royal Mint of Spain where they aim to print billions of euros while keeping hostage inside and the police try to stop them. The series is known as for its brilliant strategy, emotional depth, and iconic red jumpsuits and their masks. Breaking Bad, rating 9.5 out of 10. Breaking Bad is a crime series that follows the transformations of Walter White, a high school chemistry teacher diagnosed with lung cancer. To secure his family's financial future, he turned to cooking and selling, partnering with his former student Jesse Pinkman. The series explored theme of power, morality, and the consequences of choice, making it one of the most greatest TV shows ever made. Total season 5. Game of Thrones, rating 9.2 out of 10. Game of Thrones is an epic fantasy drama series. This story takes place in massive fictional world divided into 7 kingdoms of the continental Westeros and mysterious land called Essos across the narrow sea. The story revolves around the power family legacy and the fight for control over the Iron Throne. It is one of the favorite shows for me.